everyone, can you all hear me? Great. Can you all see the screen? No? Okay. I can make a little bigger, let me see. Okay, let's get started. In this morning, I want to look at the future of finance profession. In particular, I'm going to talk about the interconnection between finance and programming. I will allow time at the end of the presentation to comments and questions. Okay? As you will see on the slide, there's a tremendous impact of programming in finance because of all of the companies want to have their own security system to keep safe information of their consumers, specifically the banks, to avoid with it the stealing and hacking the information. For example, what would happen if Banco Pichincha lose all the information and be hacking and lose all the money accounts of their customers? Probably everybody's going insane and it will be decrease the confidence levels of the bank and it will be discredit the bank situation that will be really bad for the bank. For that, in the future, the universities need to have subjects that teach programming in finance management in the university. That it will be make us more efficient. Okay, that's all I have time for. So I will be better stop there and I will turn it over to Karen, who is going to talk about the second part of finance profession in the future.
Thanks, Gabby. I will start talking about the technological change in the future in my career finance that will facilitate people's working life. So today there are robots that collaborate helping small things to the human being, but not enough to replace us. As you can see on the slide, there are a few robots that, according to the time, are increasingly improving their technology and abilities, which in a certain way in the finance career is possible that in the future they do not need many people for that job since a robot could get to do this job, thus managing that there is more unemployment. Also, with the development of technology, you could get work from the office without going to work, thus optimizing that the time for the company and even being a facilitator for the employee. So you can see the article that are listed on the handout. Before finishing, do you have any question or comment? So now I will just conclude it by saying that every day the technology advances too fast, which makes you have great chances for people and for administrative careers. However, human work will never do the same as a machine like a robot, since the human being will always be efficient and effective, while a machine is only programmed to do this job. But is that not go beyond, does not have